Fanta, drink of choice. Favourite YouTubers to watch. Date night plans. I'm like, wow, I believe in it so much. Have you ever had to deal with fake friends? I feel like there's so many stereotypes. Hey everyone, it's Georgia and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Domino's mukbang. I don't really know how you say it. I'm literally so excited. I literally can't wait for Domino's. I am honestly starving, but I don't know why, because I actually have already been out of food once today. We're going to just forget about that. But yeah, I just thought it'd be nice to have like a little catch up. I asked you for some like questions, topics on Instagram. I'm currently just waiting for it to arrive. It has literally been out for delivery for probably 20 minutes, so I'm confused like where they are. So it's here. Domino's is here. Oh my god, I literally can't even explain how excited I am. It honestly is, let me just tell you the time right now, is 9:30. That is so late for me to have dinner, you know. Like, I honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I usually have dinner about 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock at uni. I'm gonna give you a little haul to start the video. This is actually my first ever mukbang, so I don't really know what the vibe is. Also, I feel like my order's a little bit controversial, but I couldn't really just change my order for the sake of a video. Obviously, Fanta, drink of choice. Also got some classic wedges and barbecue dip. Oh, they look, sorry, wow, I can't even cope. I'm just gonna lay this out on a little spread here. Pizza of choice. This is the bit that I thought maybe was quite controversial, like I wasn't sure. It is a chicken feast. I know a lot of people are like ranch barbecue meat lovers. I do like a bit of mushroom, sweet corn and chicken on a pizza. Like, I'm sorry, I didn't want to do it because I didn't want to push anyone over the edge today. I also like pineapple on pizza. I know, I don't even know why I'm admitting that to the general public. I'd be pretending to like a meat pizza or like barbecue feast when like it's just not me. I feel like it would be better if this was like a setup with the pizza involved. Maybe like that? Okay, we're gonna go with that. I've actually done a mukbang, so eating dinner on camera whilst talking is a little bit overwhelming, you know. So we're just gonna get on with it. Sorry, I'm about to drop the nice part of the pizza. I've just got a few topics I'm gonna talk about. So let's just get a slice of pizza going and then we can start on the first topic. Maybe I'll start on the wedge actually. A uni update generally. This is the first video you've watched. I actually go to uni up in Nottingham and this is my second year, so yeah, it's going good, but it's stressful, won't lie. Had a lab report due at 3 PM tonight. You can see how tired I am from this lab report today, and I literally spent from 6:30 last night until 12:30 like finishing bits. It was done, it was just like checking it over, like putting the references in, just general stuff like that. It literally got me 6 hours last night. Sorry. Oh, don't even tell me that's just gone on my hair. Don't. Right, why is everything so hard to do on camera? It's very stressful. I always had to go to this schools thing. Like I'm doing this advantage award, I have to go into like primary schools, which is literally so good. But I had to be there at like 12 and the deadline was at 3. So I had like 3 hours cut off, even though usually I'm a lot more organised than this. I don't know how this happened. I went to Cirque on Monday, oops. But yeah, so stress of that is over. Next deadline, next Wednesday. So that's how uni is going. Quite stressful, a lot of deadlines, but what can you do? We're just here in Domino's anyway. Going out to Coco Tang tomorrow. That is one of my favourite cocktail bars in Nottingham. Someone did say as well, don't know, I'm just whacking my phone about. I always think when I film a video on my phone, take your case off, it looks so much better. Wow, what an improvement. And then I have a question saying like, what are your favourite places to go out, bars, etc. and not? So maybe it's from people like coming to uni here, maybe. Let me give you like a general list. Coco Tang, unreal cocktail bar, tier. Me and Cam went there the other day. It was literally so cute in there. I'll try and set like a pic on screen, but it was so cute. It's such a good cocktail bar, and the cocktails were literally unreal. For food, again, Alchemist food, fajitas. Oh, can't even cope with fajitas in the Alchemist, unreal. Walk and Go is my favourite like noodle kind of takeaway thing. Where else do I actually like? To mention, I went to this cafe called Effie today. Would definitely recommend that. It was so cute. I had like I think it might have been vegan. It was like coconut milk, sort of like chocolate milk with like caramel, raspberries on top. Like, oh my god, it was so good. And then also my friend had like a beetroot drink. It didn't actually taste horrible, like it was actually nice. It was like pink, so aesthetic. I'm gonna put the pics we took on screen because wow, just love that. Always get questions as well to start YouTube, like how did you get your confidence to start YouTube, how did you kind of, basically how to start YouTube is a recurring theme. So I feel like I've wanted to start YouTube for literally the longest time ever. I spend my whole life watching YouTube anyway. I may as well spend part of my life actually making it. I feel like it's so good to like watch back on your life, like watch back on vlogs. Sorry, I thought I wasn't recording, then it gave me severe anxiety because I have just currently lost the makeup video I was going to upload. Hence why we're filming a mukbang, because I didn't press record. So just checking that's recording. And I just thought, you know what, I know people are going to have their opinions. I know a lot of people message me and say like, how did the confidence start? Were you not worried like people would say things? But I just feel like you do you, literally. I feel like if you want to do something, then do it. I don't feel like you should hold yourself back because other people might judge you or might think, oh, why is she doing that? That's so weird. Just because it's something that's kind of out of the ordinary kind of thing. I feel like people are just like closed-minded and think like, oh, that's really weird. But you know what, if you don't want to watch it, if you're not going to be supportive of it, don't watch it. It's not going to affect their life, do you know what I mean? So if you want to start it, I feel like just do it. Like the biggest like advice I'd have is just start now, because the longer you leave it, you know, I wish I'd literally had started like years ago. Okay, so I really actually love this question. It was, do you believe in manifestation, etc.? Unsure what the etc. is. I feel like it's just that kind of thing. But I literally love that question because I honestly do. I just believe in it so much. Gemma Louise Miles talk about it, and I honestly just, every time I hear about it, I'm like, wow, I believe in it so much. And I've read The Secret. I always just read bits of The Secret. I feel like it's a book you can kind of like open and close, if you know, when you need a bit of like inspiration. And I honestly do feel like you do, without even thinking about it, manifest everything into your life, because you know, the more you think about things, the more you like work for things, the more you actually get the results. And I completely believe in that. Like, I know a lot of people think that, oh, that's so weird, it's like spiritual stuff, but it's genuinely not. Like, it's literally facts. Like, I honestly do see that the more I think about things, the more like believe in myself, the more like you get the results, if you know what I mean. I've literally seen the results. Like, I just think even down to like my A-level results or like GCSE results, I just feel like I was literally doing so bad in my GCSEs, like mocks and stuff, and then I literally just thought like, you can do anything you want to do, like believe in yourself, and I ended up doing so well. Like, I know it's probably down to hard work as well, but I think manifestation, I think the reason people don't believe in it is because they think you're not manifesting it, you're just working for it. But I think the more you kind of manifest it and think about it, the more it motivates you to work for it. So whether it's actually like got a spiritual element to it or not, then yeah, 100% believe in it. I'll definitely see the effects of it. So someone else said favourite YouTubers to watch. So Elle Darby is just a constant fave of mine. Gemma Louise Miles, if you want to get into like manifestation, believe in yourself, positive vibes, definitely recommend those two. Emma Diane Philpott and Georgia May. Can't get enough. Like, I literally love those two as a duo. They do loads of like shot it, get ready with us, like kind of like tipsy videos. I just love their content. Like, I literally watch it and I'm like, wow, I just feel like we'd be best friends. Who else do I like to watch? I really love TJ Twins. I actually watch them all the time. They go to Loughborough, and honestly, the nicest girls. If you want some like motivation, like uni inspiration in your life, they're the people to go to. I've recently got obsessed with James and Karis. I've never actually watched them before. Like, I've seen them like sort of pop up on my like YouTube, like suggested a few times, but I've never actually watched them, if you know what I mean. But James and Karis, love them. But Lauren Cook, she's literally so beautiful, love her channel. Fave Tasha, I met up with her in my London vlog, if you saw that. She's given me so much inspiration to do actually a mukbang. I always say like I hate eating and talking. I feel like I'm actually not eating, I'm talking, I'm kind of talking and then eating. But she was like, you know what, go for it. I was like, you know what, yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do a mukbang, I'm gonna hop on a hike. Full of questions on like summer plans, dream destination, favourite holiday, that kind of area of topic. My next holiday, first of all, is to Mexico. Literally can't wait. Whereas summer at uni is just the best. Like, it's the longest holiday. Like, it's like 3 months off uni, living your best life. Like, I just cannot wait for summer. Like, I can't wait even for the videos I'm gonna create in summer. Like, I just want time just to focus fully on my channel. Like, I literally care about this so much. I just can't wait to have like a few months where I can make it like my main priority is gonna be like Mexico vlogs. I'm talking about all the summer hauls, every single summer haul. I also want to do like a whole week at some point. I would never have the time to do that at uni, but in the summer, I'm literally just going to dedicate so much time to it. I literally can't wait for that. But dream destination would be the Maldives. Anyone watched Molly May and Tommy's Maldives vlog? Made me want to go so bad. Then I'm hoping to go on holiday with my boyfriend, and also hopefully some of my friends that would be so good would love a girls' holiday. One question on what is it like having a boyfriend at uni? I feel like there's so many stereotypes around like, oh, couples don't work at uni, like if you're going to go to uni you need to be single to have a good time, all of that. I feel like that's kind of what people drill into before uni. Really, most of my friends had a boyfriend, so the whole thing around like having a boyfriend at uni, like you can't have a boyfriend to go to uni, that's definitely not true. Another uni related one, do you need to drink to have fun at uni? Definitely not. Like I literally feel like people feel so much like they feel pressure to stick to what's normal, to stick to what everybody does and just stay in that line, otherwise like you're wrong, like you're really weird, like why are you doing that, that's so weird. Like for example with YouTube, like people like may have the opinion that it's weird. A lot of people worry about fitting in with people too much and worry like what other people think of them and think like, oh, if everyone at uni drinks alcohol, maybe I need to too. I literally feel so strongly about like, you do what you want to do. If you have fun on your own without alcohol, in my opinion that's better than needing alcohol to have fun, to be honest. Like I can't relate, like I literally would be the most awkward person ever, like sober in a club. You do you, like I literally have friends who don't drink, have friends who say like they can have just as much fun without drinking. Like I literally think it doesn't matter. I honestly just think, sorry I'm having some trouble with this lid as you can see, I honestly just think like you do you and like don't worry about what anyone thinks. I just feel like the last year has been like such a learning curve for me of like not really caring at all what anyone thinks. Like I honestly just feel like I do what I want to do now and I am 1,000,000 times happier than when I literally be like, oh I can't do that. It's like, what would this person think of this? And especially like not drinking at uni, if they say why do you not drink at uni? Because I don't want to. Do you know what I mean? Like you don't have to explain yourself to other people or worry about anything like that. You definitely don't need drinking to have fun at uni, no. Favourite date night plans? Food. Literally food, that's all I do on date night. We always got food, have takeaways, or I love the cinema. Recently the cinema hasn't been anything on that I want to watch. I did see an advert the other day for a film I wanted to watch, but I can't remember the name of it. I can't remember, but there was a film that's coming out. I think it was on like April or something, and that looked really good, so I do want to watch that, whatever it is. So that's really no help to anyone, is it? But like if you have like another couple you can do like a date night with, I love the pub. Like me and my friend Morgs, we literally drive our boyfriends to the pub and just like spend the whole evening there just chatting, having fun. Like we literally started making like then Zanti plans, like group plans at the pub when we're drunk. You know what even goes on at the pub, who knows, but best date night honestly. So the question's actually really interesting, is do you find it easy keeping your relationship off social media? This is good because I literally always mention like my boyfriend all the time and things like that, and it's not that I purposely keep it on social media in a way, it's just like I don't really feel the need to always post about it and things like that when like we do things, if you know what I mean. And also as regards to YouTube, like I hope my boyfriend gets involved pretty soon. It would be nice to do like the outfit challenges, you know, those kind of videos, but I will let him be on the channel in his own time whenever. We have big hopes that he's gonna be on the channel very soon, maybe not that soon. Have you ever had to deal with fake friends, and what would be your advice to deal with it if so? So I feel like I've never had to deal with like fake friends as such, but obviously there's going to be people in your life that won't always be like 100% there for you. As you grow older you kind of notice who's there when you really need them and who isn't. But I feel like my advice for how to deal with like fake friends in general would be like, don't deal with it, literally don't. Like if someone isn't adding like happiness to your life and you know they're like completely fake friend, like if they're a fake friend, that's such a toxic sort of environment. I would literally just feel like don't deal with it. Like if someone isn't adding happiness to your life and they're making you feel so down all the time, then just, you have to just, I know it sounds harsh, but like kind of distance yourself from those people, because at the end of the day if someone's making you feel that down and they're not adding happiness to your life, then there's no point you trying to change that person. The question is like goals. One was like goals for the future and one was like what do you see yourself doing after uni? I really don't know. Like I'm so bad with decisions. I can't even decide what to have for dinner, and I'm just going through my psychology course and like sort of making a mental note of like the things I find interesting. Like I find developmental psychology really interesting with like children. Working with children would be something I'd love to do. I find like mental health really interesting, but then I also do find like the business side of things interesting, like marketing. I really don't know, I wish I had a clear path. Like I wish I was like, I want to be a doctor, I want to be this, but I feel like don't worry if you're in that situation, because I feel like a lot of people I talk to also don't know. I'm just getting the degree, working as hard as I possibly can at it. Like honestly, I do take the degree like so seriously. Like I literally, even though I find being motivated at uni sometimes quite hard, I honestly, like it means a lot to me. Like I do try so hard at it, so I honestly just am trying to do my degree, focus on it, do the best I can possibly doing it, and then just kind of see where it takes me. It's just like thing that I live by is that everything happens for a reason, so I just feel like everyone will end up where they're meant to be. So I don't know, that's what I'm telling myself, so I'm not going to stress too much about the future, even though I probably should be. I'm going to end the mukbang now. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know definitely below if you enjoy this kind of video, because I literally never do mukbangs. I don't really do many like chatty style videos, so if you did enjoy this then definitely let me know. Thank you all so much for watching. I post videos every single Thursday and Sunday, so if you want to stick around and subscribe then please do, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!